shit and I love that body. You wanna ball, it's bliss I swear you're good, I won't tell nobody. You got a BFF, I wanna see that girl, it's all women invited. Hairdos and nails, that Louis Chanel all up in the party. Presidents in my wallet, no rules, I'm bout it. Blow the whistle for the hottest. I got it, shorty, it's never too much, keep me doing too much. 10 to 1 of me, I can handle that love. Bottles in my reach, we can all get buzzed. Holla cause I'm free to whatever, it's no rush. So many girls in there, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then she said, I'm here with my friend. She got me thinking, and that's when I said, where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? So go get them, we can all be friends.
PB, who's people Bryson? 2 years ago I renewed my license. Anyway, why'd I start my verse like that? You can suck on dick, or you can suck on a ball sack. No, I don't endorse that. Pause that, abort that.
Just the other day I go to London, saw that kids in the street, paparazzi, all that.